Hello guys, good afternoon. I'm here in Greenville, Mississippi, and there's an 18-wheeler truck behind me. It's Tuesday, March the 12th, 2019, and there's an 18-wheeler truck right behind me, according from what I've heard. Guys, I think there's an accident here in Greenville, Mississippi. I'm gonna show you. There's so many people.
Hey, girl. What that now? How you doing well? What about you? Who is it? Ernesto, what you doing?
Hey!
What's going on? What are you doing?
What are you doing? This will show my mommy.
You show your
the
mom?
Philippines,
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Look at that truck. That truck hit that. That truck. So you hit that building. I don't know. I think that's a restaurant, or I don't know. Do you know what happened?
No, I would have happened. They said the 18-wheeler ran the red light. That's what I heard. But the main, he got killed.
Somebody got killed.
Yeah, Capricorn, the main owned Capricorn. Yeah, he got killed.
He got killed
Yes.
because he was there walking.
He was in it. I don't know. He was in his own. He got that own antique car. This 18-wheeler hit him, killed him.
You remember? Do you know the time that it hit that building?
I don't know. When I came, they had called me, and I came by here. I don't know what time it was, but I don't know what time it was. That's what I was told. I better watch. You got to watch the news. They say.
Yeah, the news.
Yeah.
Yeah, the news.
Yeah.
Do you know how many people got killed? One person. I heard that from the KARPET corner.
Yeah.
He's the one who died. He was in his car.
In that orange and white.
truck. that truck there. There's one person who died, and that person works with Carpet Corner. He died because I heard that he was in his antique car and he got hit by that 18-wheeler truck. One person died. He's with Carpet Corner.
Yes, that's what I hear.
But the building is there. The building was not hit.
His car, he was in his car, that bold. They're pretty bold.
So the car probably was there. Okay. And then the driver. How about the driver of the truck?
He around here somewhere.
I wonder if he was sleepy or what.
No, he was at the red light or something, they say.
He beat the red light.
So I don't know what went down.
Okay. It's an 18-wheeler truck. I don't know the whereabouts of the truck driver. But it got hit pretty bad. Look. There are no firefighters. Firefighters helping out the situation. Let's take a close up. The tag number is L681612 for that truck. You really have to be careful driving. It's really a big accident. There are lots of people around here. And that 18-wheeler truck hit that building pretty bad. And one person died who works with Carpet Corner, but that person was in his antique car that got hit by that truck. I heard that he was beating the red light. Moving the truck now. See, the tow truck is trying to reposition the 18-wheeler truck. Hello guys, good afternoon. I'm here in Greenville, Mississippi, and there's an 18-wheeler truck behind me. It's Tuesday, March the 12th, 2019, and there's an 18-wheeler truck right behind me. According from what I heard, the truck driver was beating the red light, and that's why it hit that building really hard. I don't know the time, and I think one person died. The person works with Carpet Corner. He works with Carpet Corner, and he was inside his antique car driving possibly, and he got hit by that truck. And that the truck driver's whereabouts is unknown as per right now. So I know where the truck driver is, but only just one person died. I wonder what really happened. I'm gonna watch the news tonight and see what really happened. Do you know where the truck driver is, sir? Do you know where the truck driver is?
Go to the hospital.
So he's really badly injured.
I'm not sure.
Oh, okay. Do you know what happened to the truck driver?
He got out and gone, they say.
I heard that
On the hospital or what? I just made it.
he's not injured.
I don't think so. He got out on that side right there. They say he got out and walked, so he can't be hurt.
But has he been identified?
No, I don't think so. I don't know. We gotta ask somebody.
But he could probably be easily identified because he's worked for someone.
Oh yeah. He's identified. They already know who he is.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch the news tonight and see more about it.
Yeah.
Do you know the time that it hit that?
I heard the ambulance about 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
Yeah, I was at the store down in the mall and I heard all the ambulance coming out there about 11:05. I don't know what, that's about the same time as what happened.
Yeah, they said the guy here died.
Yeah, they said the man that cop gonna die.
He died.
I heard that he was in his antique car.
Yeah, he was.
Yeah.
Was he driving too?
Yeah.
Oh. Maybe he was driving too fast.
Oh no.
I heard he hit the red light.
Yeah, he ran the red line.
Who ran around there?
The guy on the property. The 18-wheeler tried to miss him.
Oh.
He swerved around this one.
Oh. I thought that truck driver was the one beating the red light.
No,
It was him.
They said
And he died.
Well, he coming from here. Truck come this way when he went.
I don't know which way he comes from.
But everybody said that truck was coming this way, but he swerved that way.
Right.
He
Oh.
turned that way.
So the truck was driving right from there to there.
Yeah, he was coming that way. So you come that way, you about right. He's turned that way, trying to miss it. And he hit it. That's about right. They said the truck driver jumped out on that side over there.
But it's not the truck driver's fault
I don't think so.
because he was just trying to save the life of the
The other guy.
carpet corner
Yeah, but
person.
he missed. He hit it.
Yeah. He was probably driving too fast.
This is the Delta News at 10.
Coming up, an accident involving a tractor trailer claims the life of a Greenville business owner when the truck plows into an area salon building. Late details on the way. Joining us for your Delta News at 10. I'm Lakia Scott. Topping your local headlines, a man is dead and another hospitalized after an 18-wheeler plows into a building holding a beauty salon and uniform shop. The fatal accident happened at the intersection of Fairview and 82 just before 11 a.m., shutting down part of Highway 82 East. It involved an 18-wheeler and a Crown Victoria. Witnesses on the scene tell the Delta News the driver of the 18-wheeler ran the red light, striking the driver of the Crown Vic as he attempted to cross the highway. We're told the driver, 72-year-old Robert Coleman, was headed to his business, Carpet Corner. Officials say Coleman was ejected from his vehicle, later pronounced dead. The truck driver has been hospitalized. No one inside the building was injured. The cause of the crash is still under investigation. In Greenland,
That's what happened, guys. It's March the 12th, 2019, and it's about 11 p.m. From what I heard, the owner was there inside the Dixie uniforms, and he ran out to get a cup of coffee. And after that, he came back and found out that the 18-wheeler truck hit his building. And so his life was spared, and it's really a great blessing from God that God really spared his life. So yeah, he's alive. See, it's the owner right there. The building. They're cleaning up. According from what I heard, the owner of this carpet corner died. He was leaving work and he was backing off from what I heard, and he died. He got killed by that 18-wheeler truck, the owner of this building. The owner of this building died a few hours ago, several hours ago, I mean. The owner of this Carpet corner, he died. The truck hit that building. Yeah, the truck hit that building. Okay guys, I need to get going. I'm leaving this place. Okay, that's the building. Got hit by the truck earlier. Bye.